Next coming girls all the way from Chandanagar, St. Joseph's Convent, Chandanagar. Let me read out their achievement quickly. Certificate of Honor for Excellence in Maintenance and Eco-Friendly. Certificate of Merit for Excellence in Academics. Certificate of Merit for Excellence in Social Service. Certificate of Merit for Excellence in Extracurricular. Roshni Shah, Cadet Certificate. Roshni is here? Roshni, are you here? Good. Come forward, Roshni. A big round of applause for Roshni. Tanisha Chakraborty, Certificate of Honor for All-Round Excellence. Shravantika Mukherjee, Certificate of Merit for All-Round Excellence. Purnika Banerjee, Humanities, Academic Excellence. Bhavana Mahwar, Commerce, Academic Excellence. Somali Mondal, Athletics, for Outstanding Talent in Sports. And Aryama Banerjee, Athletics, Outstanding Talent in Sports. A big round of applause for St. Joseph's Convent, Chandanagar, Hooghly, receiving their awards from Shoma Basu, Director, Patho Bhavan, Dankuni. Next is St.